All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight, and in this video, I'm going to show you some new tools that they recently came out with in the stores, and I want to cover some of them here. And some of them might have been out for a few months now, but they're still considered a new item. I'm going to start off with the Hercules multi-purpose drywall blade for the oscillating tools. This is the shape of the blade. It's going to be great for going into drywall. It's 2.5 inches wide, offers a universal fit, and it's made of high carbon steel, and that's priced at 10 bucks. And the next new item they added is a Icon green set of the pick and hook set, 4 pieces, just like the red version. That's priced at 20 bucks. The next new item out is a new color in the Daytona 3-ton Super Duty floor jack. This jack, it reaches a max height at 23 1/8 inch and minimum height of 3 3/4 inch. It has a dual rapid pump to it, and the rear swivel casters. Price on it is 290 bucks. And this new color is nice and sharp. And they also came out with the new color as well in the 3-ton jack stands. Pretty nice. And the next new item is going to be on the Hercules 8 1/4 inch 24 tooth wood framing saw blade. That'd be good for table saws. This looks very familiar to the Diablo blade that I have on my saw, and it is an industrial grade carbide that is ultra sharp and long lasting. So you're able to cut into hardwood, softwood, dimensional lumber, pressure treated, OSB, and laminate. It has a precision laser cut vents to it, just like the Diablo blades have. This blade retail at $14.99. And the next new items are both Hercules. They came out with 2 new wire wheels, and the one is the 4.5 inch twist knot wire wheel. It's made of carbon steel. That's good for using on angle iron and I-beam. That's priced at 9 bucks. Then the second one is a stainless steel option of the wire wheel. Again, it's 4.5 inch. This would be ideal use for stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, and this retails at 10 bucks. And the next new item is going to be on this OBD2 code reader scanner by Maddox. Includes the repair solutions. It's a free app that's included with the purchase, so you'll be able to connect to it by Bluetooth on your phone, and it's compatible with nearly all 1996 and newer OBD2 passenger vehicles. And these are the different scans you can do on it. And this retails at 55 bucks. And next up, I want to get into some new Braun light options they just recently came out with. And the first one is going to be on the 10,000 lumen multi-directional corded LED tripod work light. This is what the top part looks like, and each light does swivel. So they swivel and rotate 360 degrees. The tripod folds up for nice and easy compact storage and portability. The price on it is 100 bucks on it. And if you don't know already, they're going to have an awesome deal coming up on the Braun lights where you save 40% off on all of them during the April's Spring Black Friday sale. I'll put a link up above to the top deals that I showed for the upcoming sale. All right, the next new Braun light is going to be on the Braun 500 lumen portable folding LED work light. It has a magnetic base. The light swivels from that base so you can position it however you want. It is water resistant, IP56 rated. It has a runtime of up to 14.5 hours. And that retails at 22 bucks. And the next Braun option, new light that they recently came out with, is on the 750 lumen portable work light with rotating handle stand. This is like a miniature version compared to the 1250 lumen one that they have. So it is nice and compact compared to the other one. And at 750 lumens, it's gonna be nice and bright. It offers a runtime up to 5.5 hours and a range up to 80 feet. It has variable light modes of high, low, and flash. It swivels 180 degrees. The adjustable handle stand does. And here it is turned on, and it is nice and bright. Nice little powerful light. These are always convenient to have and use, especially in tight spaces. Nice and bright. So this light does retail at 15 bucks. So it'd be an excellent time to save 40% on it. Upcoming April sale. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you do give it a thumbs up, as it does help the channel. And be sure to subscribe if you're not already for these deal videos that I do, and help me get to my goal of 50,000 subscribers. And when I reach that goal, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So when the channel reaches that 50,000 mark, I'll be doing that giveaway. And I really do appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next new item. And the next new light by Braun is this 13,000 lumen one. The runtime is right up to 10 hours, has a range of up to 770 feet. It has different modes to it as well, of turbo, high, and medium. It also doubles as a power bank, so you can charge USB devices on it. And this one is definitely bright. And the button highlights there in green when it's on. That is definitely powerful. You just keep pressing the button for the different modes. This one retails at 90 bucks. And that's a very powerful light for that money, especially on a great deal coming up at 40% off. And the next option they came out with by Braun is this 1000 lumen slim headlamp. I showed this in my Dollar Days video. This is the new headlamp they just came out with. It has adjustable light modes and it's rechargeable by USB-C. So it's a nice long strip of LED lights. So you can put on a hard helmet or on directly on your head. And it's low profile, nice and bright at 1000 lumens and the different modes to it. And then here's the ratings for the different lumens and the runtime based on what power you have it on. This is what the back looks like. It's gonna be a very nice light. I'm sure this is gonna be a very popular one. And this one retails at 30 bucks. So again, you can save that 40% on the upcoming April Spring Black Friday sale. And one more Braun light that recently hit the market is on the Braun UV leak detector flashlight. So it has like a UV black light to it and a runtime up to 5.5 hours, powered by 3 AAA batteries. And the advantages of a UV light is being able to detect leaks in different car fluids, as well as it'll reveal like bugs like a scorpion under the light. So it'd be great for camping. Another thing you can do with UV light is identify counterfeit currency and IDs with it as well. So this light retails at 8 bucks. But again, save the 40% during the April Spring Black Friday sale. All right, the next new tool that recently hit stores is on this Hercules 3-inch random orbit dual action polisher. It is rather compact compared to other polishers and has nice different areas to grip from. Here's what the underside looks like. So it has a hook and loop system to it. So the motor is rated at 4.5 amp and it does oscillatings per minute of 4,000 to 5,500. So it is variable speed and the speed dial is on the back part there by the end of the cord. It also features a locking slide switch as well, so you can just keep it on and not have to continuously pull on a trigger. Nice and convenient to use. And it is priced at 120 bucks. And the next new item they recently came out with is on the Franklin portable scaffold. It acts as a working scaffold, a push cart, a workbench, and a mobile workstation. So you can do different configurations with it with the included planks. It can act as a workstation, or you can place it on the side bar there to create steps out of it. It also features a side table to where you can store paint and tools in. It'll make easier work for painting walls or doing drywall work. It is rated at a 500-pound capacity. It folds flat as well to make easy transportation and storage. The back part right there is on a hinge frame, so it folds up nice and easy. The retail price is 130 bucks. The next new item that's coming out to the stores is going to be on a Franklin ladder. And in fact, they don't have it at this store yet. This is the 17-foot version they have here, but they did indeed come out with a 22-foot version of it. So it is a multi-position ladder, just like the 17-foot one is. And the 22-foot one's going to be rated at 375 pounds. And it also includes wheels, so you can move it around easily. And the price of this 22-foot ladder is going to be 200 bucks. So it might be a good upgrade compared to the 17-foot max reach ladder, which that one's priced at 160. So only 40 bucks more, you're going to get a 22-foot max reach ladder. All right, the next new item they came out with is actually a new color of the US General 5-outlet power strip. It's in the new purple to match the new purple boxes they recently came out with as well. So it is a great addition to the US General lineup, offering the 5 outlets as well as 2 USB ports. It's also equipped with an 8-foot power cord. This power strip retails at 34 bucks. And the next new tool is an Icon one that they recently hit stores with. It's the Icon wire strippers, the 9-inch ones. They also have a cutter and crimpers on board, so you can crimp bare and insulated wires. It has straight tips for gripping and pulling wires. It also features laser marked sizes for easy identification. It even includes a couple bolt cutters in there as well for electrical bolts, and it'll strip stranded from 10 to 20 AWG and solid 8 to 16 AWG. Here is the item number, and just so you know, I will be doing a review video of these wire cutters coming out soon, so be sure to be subscribed to the channel to watch that video where I do test it out with a few different wires and see how well it does. These wire strippers retail at 33 bucks. And depending on when you're watching this video, coming out in April during that Spring Black Friday sale, it's going to be 35% off. So definitely wait till then to get it. And the next new item is on this pressure washer 5-piece quick connect nozzle kit. It is compatible with most power washers with the quick connect system. to the wand. And it comes with these varying nozzles of 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree nozzles, as well as the black soap nozzle, which will activate like the power wash soap tank or downstream injector. So this is obviously a great backup kit to have in case you lost some tips. But just so you are aware that it is rated at a maximum of 3000 psi. Here's the back part of the package with the item number, and these retail at 20 bucks. And since it is a maximum psi of 3000 psi, if you have a 4000 psi, it would likely be too strong for them. But check your power washer, as you might be able to turn down the pressure of the pump to be able to accommodate them. Otherwise, just get fittings that work for the 4000 psi and more. And the next new tool is a Pittsburgh tool. It's the 16-inch adjustable spud wrench. So the jaw opens up to 1.5 inches wide for the adjustable wrench part of it, and then here on the other end is the continuous taper handle for easy alignment of like bolt and rivet holes. So this would be a great tool to have for being able to line those up. I used to use something like this way back in the day in my high school days and college days, where I had to put up shelving and I had to have a tool like this to be able to line up the holes of the shelving rack. So this looks like a decent tool. It has some nice heft to it, and it's 16 inches, and it retails at 22 bucks. Just like all our Pittsburgh hand tools, it comes with a lifetime warranty, and here's the item number for it. And the next new item is a Yukon item. It's a 6-pack of storage wraps. Comes in 10, 13, and 17-inch straps, so you can store hoses and cords with them. It has like a Velcro hook and loop type system that closes off the straps. Has a nice rivet there to be able to hang them from, like a peg hook or other hooks in the garage. And having the different size options would be great for a hose, air hose, or even extension cords. They hold up to 50 pounds max. And here's the back of the package with the item number there. And they are durable reinforced grommets. These are priced at 7 bucks, so it might be a good pickup there. These are always convenient to have. I have a different brand of them, and they always come in handy having to be able to organize different hoses and cords. The next new tool that recently hit stores is the Earthquake XT half-inch air impact wrench with the extended anvil to it. It is rated at 1200 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque, and it goes up to 8000 RPM, and the anvil length on that is 2 inches. The retail price on it is 150 bucks, and so far I'm only seeing it in the one color of the gunmetal. And they also came out with another new air impact wrench. It's the 1-inch Earthquake XT with the 8-inch extended anvil to it. It offers a max of 3000 foot-pounds of torque, and that retails for 370 bucks. And the next new item, well, it's not necessarily a new item, but it's a new color, green Icon screwdriver set. It's an 8-piece set in the green versus the one that they had already in the red, and they have that same price as the red one at 50 bucks. So again, wait for the upcoming spring Black Friday sale at Harbor Freight, where it will be 35% off for the set as well as the red one. And obviously, let's not forget the new G2 Icon ratchets that are going to be coming out here. Should be hitting stores in the next week or so if they haven't already. I was able to get my hands on the stubby ratchet. I did a review video on it, so I will put a link to that above in case you're interested in checking that out. But my store still does not have the other 4 ratchets that are coming out here soon. So they're coming out with 5 ratchets now, and then in the summertime they're going to be releasing 15 more new G2 ratchets in the summer. All right, that's going to be the new items I wanted to cover in this video. There's certainly a lot more listed on their website, so I'll be sure to put a link in the description that goes right to the new items they have listed on there. I'm not sure what the criteria is on it and how long they display the new items. Some of the items have been out for quite some time. All right, so if you did gain any value from this video, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this and tool deal videos, and help me get to that goal of 50,000 subscribers. And when the channel does reach that goal, I'll be giving away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really do appreciate that support, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.